The coordinates of 2 points A and B are -7, 3 and 5, 11. Show that equation of perpendicular bisector of AB is that much. That means if I take A and B here, A is -7, 3, B is 5, 11. Perpendicular bisector means this line perpendicular and also this passes through the midpoint of AB. Clear? So to find this line I need to know this point and slope of this line. To get this point I use midpoint formula. So what is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2. So -7 plus 5 by 2 comma 3 plus 11 by 2, which will be -2 by 2 will be -1. 14 by 2 will be 7. Now, to get slope of this line, first I will get slope of horizontal line and then m1 into m2 equal to -1. So what is slope of this line? y2 minus y1. So 11 minus 3 by x2 minus x1. So 5 minus of -7. So that is nothing but 8 by 12, which is 2 by 3. So to get the slope of this line, m1 into m2 equal to -1. So m equal to -3 by 2 I get. Now I have point and the slope, I can get equation of perpendicular bisector, which is y minus 7 equal to -3 by 2 of x minus of -1 plus 1. So whenever fraction send it to the other side, 2y minus 14 equal to minus 3x minus 3. Bring 3x this side. So it becomes 3x plus 2y. Minus 14, send it to the other side. Minus 3 plus 14 equal to 11. So we got the equation. Now next one. A circle passes through A and B and its center lies on that. Find the equation of the circle. Given that on the circle you have 2 points A and B and center lies on that line. Find the equation of that circle. Equation of circle in general form is written by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Whenever it is in this form, center is minus g comma minus f. Clear? Now, these two lie on the circle, so I can place these 2 points in the circle equation. So when I put A in this, A is -7, 3. So in place of x, -7 means I get 49. In place of y, 3 means 9. And here -2 into 7 is 14g plus 6f plus c equal to 0. So if I simplify this, I get minus 14g plus 6f plus c equal to 49 plus 9 is 58, goes to the other side, minus 58. Clear? Now place b in this. So I get 25 plus 121 plus 10g plus 22f plus c equal to 0. Right? So that becomes 10g plus 22f plus c equal to 25 plus 121 is 146. Send it to the other side, minus 146. Right? Now, he told center lies on that line. So substitute the center in that line. So it becomes 12 into minus g minus 5 into minus f equal to 70. So that is minus 12g plus 5f equal to 70. Right? Using all the three, I need to find out g, f and c. Replace in this, that will be my circle equation. For that, how you do is, both are c. If I subtract, they will be gone. So change the sign here. So minus 14 minus 10g minus 24g plus 6 minus 22 will be minus 16f plus c minus c gone. Here 146 minus 58. How much will you get? Here it is 3. 16 minus 8 is 8. 88. So equal to 88. Right? I have here 12g. To get 12g, I divide by 2. So I get minus 12g minus 8f equal to 44. Now if I solve these two, I get g and f. Place those g and f in this or in this to get c. So I place it here now. Minus 12g minus 8f equal to 44. So I need to change the signs to cancel them out. So these two are gone. Now 5 plus 8 is 13f. 70 minus 44 is 26. That implies f equal to 2. Yeah, place f in this. Any equation to get g. So that is minus 12g plus 5 into 2 equal to 70. So minus 12g equal to 60 I get. That implies g equal to 60 by minus 12 will be minus 5. Right? Now place f and g in any of this to get c value. So if I place in this, how much will I get? Minus 14 into g value, minus 5. Plus 6 into f value, 2. Plus c equal to minus 58. So c is nothing but minus 58 plus 70 goes that side, minus 70. Plus 12 goes that side, minus 12. So that implies c equal to minus 140. Clear? Place g, f and c in this is your final answer. So equation of circle is x square plus y square. In place of g, what do I put? Minus 5. So I get minus 10x. In place of f, I put 2. So I get 4y. And c is minus 140, so minus 140 equal to 0. This is a required equation of the circle.